It says, suppose that the lifetime of light bulbs are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 56 hours and a standard deviation of 3.3 hours. With this information, answer the following questions. Paula, would you mind helping?
Yes, I would. No.
Well, you're going to do it anyway.
Okay.
Because you have the mic and it's in your hands.
It's going to record my voice.
Of course it is. It already has. It's recording right now. We're live.
Okay. So what do you want me to do, A?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
What proportion of light bulbs will last more than 62 hours?
Do I have to draw?
I would appreciate it.
Oh, sure.
Let's start by drawing a normal distribution. And of course, I just happen to choose statistics for a lot of these. I use this very frequently in my statistics classes. So the mean was 56. Perfect. Where would 62 be? You could narrate this.
Oh, sorry. 62 would be the right of the, to the
good.
right of the mean.
Awesome.
62.
All right.
Okay.
Do you want to shade above 62 or below 62?
I would like to, what did I say? So more than? So I'm going to shade to the right.
Perfect. So we're going to shade to the right. And now on the bottom, on the bottom of the display, there's a calculator. If you click on the calculator, there you go. So we're not in the screen. If we click and drag this, we can move this wherever we want to. So we can kind of split screen this with one note. Perfect. There you go. Look at you.
Okay.
So again, being his second bars. And this is what he was in close. I think you guys all got the gist of what I'm doing.
Yeah. You don't want me to finish?
Oh, you can finish. Can we get a chance to play with the Surface Pro? Not Jerry, you can play with this.
I gotta see if I like it. Okay. Sorry. Oh, what was the standard deviation? What was the standard deviation? I can't read it from here. 5.3. Thank you. Okay. There you go.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
All right, now I got to figure out where the pause button went.